The UPA government's efforts to push through the pension bill with amendments has failed the Didi test. The cabinet was to take up the key bill today, but it was deferred due to stiff opposition from the Trinamool Congress. The move to get the pension bill through was part of the government's move to put reforms back on track. Even the government's proposal to ensure assured returns to pension fund subscribers has not been accepted by the key ally.
Also say that Mukul Roy of the Trinamool Congress wrote to the Prime Minister yesterday opposing the bill. The Railway Minister said that the Trinamool Congress was upset at not being represented in the standing panel which discussed the pension bill. And with the presidential election drawing close, the Congress does not want to upset Mamata Banerjee. FDI in this proposed bill has been capped at 26%, a recommendation by the Yashwant Sinha-headed Parliamentary Committee.
I wrote a letter to the Prime Minister that when the pension bill introduced in the Parliament, at that time Trinamool Congress Parliamentary Party opposes the bill. It went to the Standing Committee for further consideration. The Standing Committee meeting take place on 21st July, 3rd of August and 29th of August. Our representative Sudip Bandyopadhyay has been seized to his office from the chairman of the finance, from the standing committee of the finance committee, as because he becomes the minister. Since then, no substitute has been given in the standing committee of the finance by the parliamentary affairs.
हमारा रिजर्वेशन पेंशन बिल के ऊपर था, हम आज भी रिजर्वेशन है, हम लोग सरकार को कहेंगे और हम सरकार को समर्थन कर रहे हैं। अर्थव्यवस्था ये जो फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस से हटने के लिए सरकार कोई भी निर्णय लेगी, हम लोग समर्थन करेंगे।
पॉलिसी पैरालिसिस है नहीं, पहली बात। और दूसरी बात, जैसा मैंने कहा कि हम पैरालिसिस के टैग से अगर लड़ते हैं तो आप लोग कहते हैं कि जल्दबाजी हो रही है, ये तो बिना सोचे समझे आप फैसले ले रहे हैं। तो हम कहाँ जाएं? What is it that we should do?